My name is Loknath Giri. I have around 16 years of experience as a data architect. I basically worked in the area of SQL, PL SQL, data modeling, and ETL in business intelligence space. As per research by Gartner in 2016, Oracle is the most popular database having highest market share. It is used by multinational companies, banks, hospitals, and many financial institutions, so there is high demand for Oracle developers. If you are a data scientist or a data analyst who wants to work in database for data analysis and reporting, or you are a database developer who wants to develop applications and tools, or anybody who wants to go for Oracle certification, or who wants to learn SQL and get into IT industry as a database developer, this is the course for you. This is a comprehensive course designed as per syllabus from Oracle University. What you learn in this course is different aspects of SQL, handling data, how you are going to insert, update, and delete data. Learn different types of simple, complex, and analytical query to fetch data for reporting. Access control of data, how you create role and grant privileges to different users. And basic admin activities like create and remove users using SQL. Apart from that, what you learn in the course is best practices in query writing, real-life examples, sample certification questions. This course is self-paced. If you have any doubts, you can go back and see the lectures again and again till you understand the topic well. There is an assessment test after each topic so that you can evaluate your progress. This course will make you ready for Oracle certification. Once you are certified in Oracle, it will increase your earning potential and career growth. I have designed this course so that even you are new to SQL, you can reach up to what is in between intermediate and expert level. This course comes with 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with the course, you can ask for a refund. So why to wait? Enroll it today and learn some awesome stuff in SQL. So let's go to the next preview lecture to see the complete course content.